How to create a poll on Facebook Messenger. So if you want to create a poll on Facebook Messenger, then first of all you have to open up your Messenger application, and here after opening, now go to a group chat. You can't make a poll on individual chats, so you have to open up a group chat, and after opening a group chat, here on the bottom left corner you will have a 4 dots icon. Simply tap on that, and then here you will have two options. One is location and another one is poll. You can simply tap on polls, and then here you have to give a question to your poll. And after writing the question, now on the bottom side you will have options. You can simply tap on add option, and then you have to tap on one, and then again if you want to give another option, you can simply tap on add option, which is on the bottom, and then you can tap 2 or any option that you would like that is related to your question. And after that, if you want to add another option, you can simply tap on add option and then give another option. And after giving all of that, here you have create poll option. You can simply tap on create poll, and that's it. That's how you create poll on Facebook Messenger. So that's it. That's how you create poll on Facebook Messenger. You can't create your polls on individual, so you have to open up a group chat and then you can create your poll there. So that's it. That's how you create polls on Facebook Messenger. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.